In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Meet to Calendly. Connecting these two tools means every time someone books a meeting with you in Calendly, a Google Meet link will automatically be added to the event. This saves you from manually creating meeting links and helps avoid confusion for your guests. First, open your Calendly account and head to your main home dashboard. This is the page you see right after logging in, where all your event types and scheduling options are listed. Make sure you're logged into the correct Calendly account you actually use for bookings, so the integration is set up in the right place. From your home dashboard, look for the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is usually in the main navigation or in a sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where Calendly connects with other tools like video platforms, calendars, and automation services. Once you're in the integrations area, scroll until you find Google Meet. It might be grouped under video conferencing options. When you see Google Meet, click on it to open the detailed integration page. Here, Calendly explains what the integration does, but what we're interested in is connecting your Google account. On the Google Meet integration page, click the button that says Connect Google Calendar. Calendly uses your Google Calendar connection to generate Google Meet links and attach them to your events, so this step is essential. You'll now be taken to a page where Calendly lists available calendar options. Find Google Calendar in the list and click the Connect button right next to it. This tells Calendly that you want to link your Google account and use it for scheduling and video conferencing. Next, a Google sign-in window will open. Here, choose the Google account you want to connect. If you use different accounts for personal and work, select the one you use for your professional meetings and calendar. Click on that account to continue. Google will now show you a permission screen. Review the access that Calendly is requesting, which typically includes your basic profile information and permission to manage your calendar. Once you're comfortable with that, click Continue. You may see a final confirmation screen. If so, click Continue again to finalize the connection. After that, you'll be redirected back to Calendly, and your Google Calendar and Google Meet integration will be active. From now on, when someone books a meeting with you, Calendly will automatically create a Google Meet link and include it in the invite.